US and Canada have some of the biggest traders, but many of them cannot trade cryptocurrency futures and derivatives because of regulatory restrictions. For example, BYBIT, which remains my best cryptocurrency exchange, was recently kicked out of Canada. So I did my diggings, and here are my top 3 derivative platforms that are secured, don't require KYC, that even those in US and Canada can use. I will also show you how to stay extra safe when using these exchanges. First is CoinW. CoinW ranks number 17 in the futures market according to CoinMarketCap at the time of making this video, with an average daily volume of $9 billion. It was founded in 2017 and has been in operation since then without any hitch. The exchange has a lot of features, 24/7 customer support with a huge liquidity. It's super user-friendly, making it really smooth to trade futures on. They also have professional copy traders in case you want to copy trades on the platform. I personally use CoinW for my DCA trading strategy, which I will give you a hint into at the end of this video. Next is MEXC. MEXC is known to have lots of coins and crypto pairs to trade. As a matter of fact, most persons I know that are in the US that trade futures and derivatives use MEXC. The exchange was founded in 2018, have an average daily derivative trade volume of over $3 billion. It offers an all-in-one crypto solution from spot trading to futures contract and so many more. And for security, MEXC has multi-tier protection, cold storage, anti-DDoS, two-factor authentication, and so on. Now, before number 3, if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably and get free signals from me, then watch to the end of this video. This brings us to number 3, which is the last in this video, but not the least. It is BingX. BingX is quickly gaining popularity due to its high liquidity and extensive cryptocurrency support. I have made a couple of videos about BingX on this channel and even interviewed the team. So I don't think I need to say much about BingX. It was founded in May of 2018, a month after MEXC, and has a higher average derivative trade volume of almost $5 billion at the time of making this video. The UI UX is also on point. You see these exchanges, you can use them now in the US. However, US regulators may come for it once it attains Binance, BYBIT, OKX level of popularity. I would suggest that you use VPN, and the most recommended is NordVPN. All links to register for the exchange and the VPN is in the description. Make sure you use this link to sign up. So there you have it. CoinW, MEXC, and BingX. 3 platforms that keep the door open to crypto derivatives. Just remember that wherever you are, please stay updated on your local laws and regulations about crypto trading. If you're not in the US or in Canada, BYBIT still remains my best. That is what I use every other day. To learn how to trade profitably with me and get free signals, again, create an account with BYBIT or CoinW using the link in the description, fund it, and join my Telegram group. The link is also in the description. I will see you in the next video and in that group.